The Food Service Exchange presents.
We're gonna make the automatic.
Plates aren't heated, right?
No,
Not heated. Cold. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Exactly.
We have 20 different programs. Two things to set: pressure and spinning time. Pressure, it means the final distance where the machine was stopping, and T, it means the spinning time when the machine is down. 90% of job is made while the machine is going down. So the counter, the timing, is counting when the machine is down, but actually most of the job has been done. I keep pressing two buttons, I release it, now it counts 1, 2, 3, finish. Going out, just spread it out. Same thing. What's the big difference? This one has a flat bottom dish, so the crust here is thinner than in this machine. If you want to have a Napolitan artisan kind of pizza with a very high thick crust, it's still this one machine. If you have a pizza chain or anyway, you have 3, 4, 5 different kinds of pizza from 10, 12 inches till 20, that is the machine. So you have 20 different programs, you just have to put a paper program A, pizza A, program 2, pizza 2, program 3, pizza 3, and then just press the two buttons. So it's what we usually call monkey-proof. But the dough is still alive, it's with the fresh dough. You can spin it with what you want. Because the system to spread the dough out is the same for both machines. 10 ounces. Take it. See.